Look at this. Look at this, man. That came in the mail. This came to my doorstep like this. Literally came to my doorstep like this. This is unacceptable, man. Very unacceptable.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body...
Yo, YouTube, what up, what up? Hey, it's your boy. Y'all know who it is, man. We back with another video, man. 87 SS boy. Checking in with y'all. One more again, man. Out here in the cold, out here in the snow. You know what I'm saying? It's starting to warm up a little bit. We're getting a little sun and everything, but it ain't all the way there yet. But this weekend, I plan on being outside, man. I plan on being outside this weekend because it's supposed to be like in the 40s or whatever. I know that don't sound that warm, but when the sun is out, man, I can be out here working, man. I'm hot-natured anyway, so I'm probably gonna be out here sweating. But what we here for, man, I want to show you a couple things that came in the mail, man. I got a few packages. One of them, whoo, I'm looking at it right now. Look at this. Look at this, man. That came in the mail. This came to my doorstep like this. Literally came to my doorstep like this. This is unacceptable, man. Very unacceptable. But anyway, I did get it in. So only thing, it had one piece of tape across the top, man. No protection in the inside or nothing. This is how this box came to my doorstep, man. Look at that, no bubble wrap, no nothing, man. It looked like a rat been up in here. Like, how y'all ship something out like this? I'm still gonna put their link in the description. You know, they do have 99% a 99% positive rating on eBay, but I am not satisfied with this shipping packaging, man. And I told them that too. They hadn't got back with me yet, but I let them know that I was not satisfied with how they shipped this equipment here. Only thing was, it was in a bag and it was in this box. Like, come on, bro. You gotta do better than that, man. I don't know who they had on duty that they sending stuff out, but they tripping, cuz. So anyway, if y'all know cars, y'all know what this is. This is a spindle for the front of that C10. Spindle. Uh-oh, let me get my camera right. So, drop spindle for the front. Got some other pieces on here, which I don't really... Well, what I'm going to do, I want to test out the rotors on here. Because, like I said, you have to measure your rotors. Either you're going to have a 1-inch rotor or a 1 1/4 inch rotor. And the reason being is because on that spindle, this part on the spindle may be bigger or smaller on the spindle. Now these are drop spindles, like I said, 3 inches. So what it does is raises this center point up so that you can get the drop that you want. Let me get this other one up out of here. Look at this crap, man. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. So basically, and then we got this one. Yeah, I mean, the part ain't really beat up or anything. It is a little scratched in some areas, but that's not a big deal. They came painted and everything. So that's what it looked like. These are your 3-inch drop spindles for your 73 to 87 C10. Drop spindles. They definitely nice, good quality, just like the stock stuff, real thick. You know, it's a spindle, so it gotta be tough, man. But yeah, like it's some little blemishes. Pretty sure it's from the shipping. A few blemishes on there, but it ain't nothing crazy, man. Just shoot a little light coat of paint over there. Don't even really have to do that, honestly. But yeah, so and then also tell you on the spindle, left hand and right hand. So you can't mess that up, bro. It's telling you right hand, left hand. I know some of that. I know that'll go over some people's head, bro. But it's dummy proof, man. It's dummy proof. But you can't help everybody. I'm just saying, because boy, I tell you, some people dumb. I'm sorry, but that's just what it is. But yeah, so we got the right hand and left hand side drop spindles. 3-inch drop spindles. We'll get them installed at some point. But I also want to show y'all this, man. This right here came from a subscriber, bro. And shout out to Mr. Daniels. Mr. Daniels. Shout out to Mr. Daniels. He said he been watching my channel for a while. He on the West Coast, man. And he was like, hey, man, I got something I want to send you for the C10. I'm like, okay, cool. So, you know what I'm saying? We chopped it up or whatever. And, man, look what this man sent me. Look what he sent me. What's that, y'all? What's that? Do that say Dirty Dingo? Yes, sir. That's what it say. Dirty Dingo, man. Got the hardware. And got the mounts. Man, shout out to Mr. Daniels, man. He sent me a set of brand new Dirty Dingo motor mounts for the C10. Dirty Dingo. Yes, sir. Sliding motor mounts. I know there's a lot of motor mounts out there now that are the sliding motor mounts. But these was the first ones, man. Dirty Dingo came out with these, and then everybody else copied them. These are a little more expensive than some of the ones you see on eBay or Amazon. But hey, shout out to my guy, man. I really appreciate you, man. Mr. Daniels. I'm gonna put his Instagram info. Put his Instagram info in the description, man. Y'all go check him out, man. Mr. Daniels. Bro, I sure appreciate that, man. Motor mounts. And it also tells you here, it's dummy proof now. Y'all be saying these LS swaps are hard and all this. I still hadn't did one yet, so I can't say it's easy or hard. But I done seen some stuff, and I feel like I got it. You know what I'm saying? But driver side, passenger side. Come on now. It tell you driver side and passenger side. So it tell you what side they go on. You can't mess it up, man. It tell you exactly what side they go on. So, yep. And it even got it on both sides too. It said on both sides, passenger side, driver side. You can't mess it up, man. You can't mess it up. But yeah, once again, man, shout out to my guy for sending this over, man. Hey, real subscriber, man. Real deal subscriber right now, right there. I'm not saying my subscribers gotta send me stuff. I'm just saying, like, he's showing his appreciation for the channel, man. And I appreciate him for going out of his way to do this, man. He didn't have to do it, but he did it. You know what I'm saying? And I appreciate it, man. Shout out to you, bro. So yeah, we got some new parts. Dirty Dingo motor mounts, and then we got the 3-inch drop spindles for this thing. And I showed y'all on the last video. If you weren't there, I'll show it again. We got the flip kit here. Oh, I'm struggling, y'all. Struggling. Got the flip kit. Yep, sit here. We gathering parts, man. Hey, it take time, bro. Hey, I know some of y'all like me. You can't. It ain't gonna happen overnight, and you ain't got money to just buy everything at one time. And then we got the C notch. So hardware for the C notch. Got the C notches. Whew. Parts on parts on parts, man. C notches here in the hardware. You got the 5-inch flip kit, dirty dingo motor mounts, and you got the 3-inch drop spindles. I also got these right here, the rotors. So drilled and slotted rotors, just in case y'all missed the last video, man. You know, parts on parts on parts, man. Once it clear up a little bit, which y'all see, sun out, crows crowing, birds chirping. Hey, we're gonna get there, man. It's gonna warm up a little bit for us, and we're gonna be able to get some work done, man. Actually, man, I wanted to get out here and do a little something to the C10 today, but I don't think it's gonna happen, man. I got less than an hour before I gotta go to work. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just showing y'all what we got going on. If I end this video, then y'all won't see me get no work done. If I keep it going, then y'all gonna see me turn some wrenches out this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? We done made it to the backyard. So I just kind of wanted to know where I got to cut at for this C notch. As you can see, I put the leaf springs up. That's how it's gonna look now. It'll be under the axle. That's why it's called a flip kit, right? So you go from over the axle to under the axle. Before, the stock way, these leaf springs go on top, but now they on the bottom. Man, I don't like the way. Oh, okay, cool. But yeah, so now they on the bottom of the axle. And then that little cut piece that y'all saw, it's gonna fit up in here. It's gonna sit on top of the leaf spring. And then it's gonna fit up in there. This, if you don't know, the notch will be right here. So it's gonna be about right here. That's where I'm gonna have to cut it at. But I just put it there so I know where to cut. But it's gonna sit right up in there just like that. That way, if this axle, you know, from the bouncing or whatever, this axle jump up or you hit a bump, whatever, then this will be out of there. That way, this because the frame is gonna be lower because of the drop. So once this axle go up, or this body, you know, roll, then you'll have this extra space here.